You get one old woman when we say come outside of free sex, begin the talk, saying that so one small boy give him belly run, say no get anything to take do with a pregnancy again. I believe say this woman so for Western world, this woman they stay, whether it could be Italy, France, Germany, but she not dey specific. He say from the beginning of this relationship, so say this boy they tell her saying love her just the way say she be, say her black organic skin and everything. He say but from the beginning still say he give this boy a different no preservative to take prevent unwanted pregnancy or maybe sexually transmitted disease. Say but no, say the boy saying they like her organic, say they like her raw. But I don't want to talk too much about this particular woman, so make I just give on the video and I'll come back with the rest of my thoughts.
I want shout to I want shout to now this boy, if you see me, you go say fine woman, black beauty, you not touch your color. He love me, he like me. Now I can't gree for him. People hear me. The day where you come, now so I give one rubber. Now I say make you use rubber. Say this rubber, if they guide, they protect against unwanted pregnancy. And not only that, if they protect against sexually transmitted disease. He say lie no, you say you know me. He say I be beautiful lady. Now so I can't gree for him. Anytime I there, he go come, he go eat, he go sleep. No be I come to say, belle don't tell her say, belle come. Now he say, wait till I talk. Me old woman. He say, me say me get belle for I not be you. Now say, but when they give you rubber, you say you know take. He say you know say me go fix it born for him. I know say I senior and well. Now he say he no go carry. He say I be a dede. He say he dey shame to tell him friend say me dey come where me dey or me get belle for him. He say when he dey come, he dey looking before he enter my house. He say me I go remove am. Now that one come pay me pass. You see me now, I dey speak. And he even see me, he no pity me. Say me I go remove am. Pikin wey me dey find since make me go remove am. I don't go ever remove am. As he call me a dede, I go tell her say a dede not dey born a dede. Now
first and foremost, let me say big congratulations to this woman because now what we say she dey find for a very, very long time, she don't finally see. This one I see opportunity for people who say they look for the fruit of the womb, see they not give up hope. They feel so because if God fit done for this woman, so for her old age, I believe say God will fit done for other people too for their own old age too. You will say be man will say you no want get anything to take do with woman, or maybe you know for your mind now you just need enjoyment you want to enjoy. Say you know maybe say the woman get anything picky for you, my dear. If you want sleep with the woman, try maybe say you use preservative. If you use preservative, the chances maybe say that one will take get belle for you, it dey very, very low. Another thing again be say make we still dey extra careful when we say be man and woman because person we say they sleep with, so it's good maybe say you know the person well before you come begin to talk say okay you want sleep with the person raw to raw because sometimes forget about pikin you. They see sexually transmitted disease when we say they go on these days. You know now HIV, AIDS, they there different things. They for them we say you want be fit go get based on same person we see they share sexual intercourse with. You me so other thing we say I want to talk again be say if you know say you be man you no want get anything to take do with person. Like for instance now you see some men will be say they don't see some women when they get 4 children before they come to say okay they want you to play around maybe they do boji akaramu they'll do boji finish. At the end of the day, the woman won't get belle. If the woman get belle finish, if you talk say I don't get belle for you, you say no, I dare you go get belle for me. You say you won't get 4 children before. You know say that woman don't get 4 children before. You see go they sleep with the woman, maybe you must take get belle abi. So sometimes they say if their family member they talk say come this woman don't get belle for you. Now come go marry me for it. Now don't say God for you but you. Not be me oh. Woman will say don't get children before, then anyone come marry. So woman will say don't get children before, now crime for them to take marry. If you say you feel sleep with them, so what can be the difference if you feel sleep with them? So you know if you wife them up abi. Say the thing don't enter finish You not get what we say you want to talk, maybe say go make come say this woman go comot the pikin. In as much as somebody say that woman don already dey desperate to take get belle. And you be man, anybody who be say you dey sleep with, seriously you know say you dey sleep with the person unprotectedly, as you unprotected, know say belle is inevitable. Women dey, for me, I no go come here, come begin dey bash me. Some people don't be say don't dey advanced, they dey desperate to take get pikin, no be bad thing. Some people don't say they get their pikin early stage. Some don't say they get their pikin old day. Some don't be say man no come go approach them again. We say they want to do all their possible best. We say to take get pikin. The thing be say just dey upfront from the beginning, saying that pikin you dey fine. So that people don't maybe say the man talk, say maybe say you don't want anything to do with the pregnancy or with the pikin. Me, you know, say that what if you say you dey fine, let me say you get me the man, the top they carry the wahala they go. Because I hate it when we say you by some people like this, and we say they desperate. When we say they come begin they come for social media, come they place that they be the victim, say na man you come give the belle come out. When we say now, whereas now what if we say they want from the beginning be that, come be say they come see and now we say social media age now, and this month now don't enter social media. You get one particular thing we say I like, we say I address here. If you see the nature of man and woman, normally na man they give woman something, many woman we say go put on for your oven for 9 months. You can't the thing you can't cook for 9 months for say belle before the thing you can't come outside, which is speaking. The thing be say it dey very easy for the man to take talk say no one get anything to do with the pikin go comot. And let me mind you, any man who say comot leave the pikin, when we say no say don't get pikin with woman, he comot say no one get anything to do with the pikin, me no say that cause na in place for in life. If they feel me so na cause na in place for himself. Juju already the one they worry the man self. So that one I by the way. So you as the woman so may if you dey sleep with man, no say something belle fit come anytime, any day. Make you take the responsibility. Carry your pikin for back. Make you carry the pikin and pikin say you dey fair, but me not come dey come social media, come dey talk say na so one man do this, na so one man do that. Just that we know some situation dey whereby some men go really dey when we say they'll tell you from the beginning, say they want get something to do with you. Forget about the age now. They talk about maybe young age, but can go reach advanced age. They say they get something to do with you. They want to start family with you. At the end of the day, they give you left finish, they go run. They don't want to take the responsibility of the pikin. They feel me so that case see they different. So another thing I want to talk again is see no say if you sleep with man, sexually transmitted disease there, they just need to be extra careful. So I just may you can talk one or two what we say for this matter. Me not forget to leave your comment for the comment section below, and if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and make you share this video too for your friends. So until I see you now for my next video, bye bye.